Hello there. This is a simple clock made with a few Lego bricks, and Lego axles, a NEMA 17 motor and some self-printed gears. Every tick of the stepper motor drives the black gear on the back, which resides on the same axle as the red seconds pointer. The motion is then transmitted to the minute and hour discs. As you can see from the time-lapse animation, the green minute disc itself rotates clockwise. This is why the figures on the disc are going in counterclockwise direction. The same is true for the yellow hour disc. Hence, you get the current time from the top position as indicated by the arrow. You can easily set the time using two micro switches. The first one will accelerate the clock in forward direction. The second one will kind of rewind the clock. The entire setup is just showing a simple concept for a motor-driven clock. It is not meant for permanent use, but maybe the idea is interesting for your own builds. Find out more on the Instructable site linked below. Thank you for watching.